Welcome to my channel Fun Learning Junior.
How can you keep your kids safe around gas stoves? Did you know that a significant number of home accidents related to natural gas can be avoided through proper safety education? This video covers essential gas safety tips for children. Here are some tips to ensure children's safety around gas stoves. Supervision. Children must be allowed near stoves only when an adult overseeing them. Ensure safety. Keep children away from the kitchen while the stove is in use or is hot. Ensure dangerous items are out of reach. Make sure to store items such as lighters, matchboxes, hot oil, and knives where children cannot access them. Utilize back burners. When children are present, keep the back burners on the stove in use to prevent them from reaching open flames or hot utensils. Cook in a ventilated area to reduce gas emissions and promote a healthier cooking environment. Help children understand heat. Ensure that kids are aware that the stovetop remains hot for some time even after it has been turned off. Keep children at least 3 feet away from all cooking appliances. Never hold a child while cooking or when removing hot food from the microwave oven or stove. Add a stove guard to keep children from touching the stove top. Don't leave kids alone in the kitchen. Don't keep any flammable materials in the kitchen. If used near gas stoves, it can be extremely dangerous and could result in a fire or explosion. Share this video to spread awareness and potentially save lives. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.